Are you wanting to get out of your house, into a van, and on the road? Hi, I'm Joni, and in 2017 I did just that. I bought a Sprinter van, had it built using my design, sold my house, and got on the road full time. On this channel I feature vans primarily designed and built by women to give you inspiration for your own van build. I'm always on the lookout for other van life enthusiasts who want to collaborate and share their love for this lifestyle. I also love to cook from scratch in my van, and I share accessories, tips, and tricks to make van life easier and more successful for you. I'm an accountant by trade, and I tend to be meticulous in my research. I produce these videos because I want to share what I've learned along my journey to help you learn what you need to know to be successful at van life. I love it when we learn together in the comments section, so hit that subscribe button below and turn on notifications so you don't miss any great upcoming videos. And if you want even more interaction with the community, join our Facebook group, Gal Adventurers, at the link below. Enjoy your journey!